Hi everyone, my name is Jack and you're watching Tech Explorer. Welcome back with another new video. In this video, we will discuss about top 10 SEO companies for Amazon store. We are making a videos on SEO. We are making a video series of SEO like different YouTube SEO and Amazon SEO, e-commerce, different websites SEO or website SEO and backlinks, each and everything we will discuss about SEO. In this video, we will discuss Amazon stores, top 10 SEO companies for Amazon stores. So here, the first one is Tribe Internet Marketing. So this is websites that rank on the number one and its score is 98. That's awesome. And the second one is Ignite visibility. Its score is 97. That's also awesome. And the third one is Visitech. Its rating is 95. Buy Box Export is on the fourth number and its rating is 95. The fifth one is Netflix Media 92. Orac Orca Pacific on the number 6 and its rating is 90. And the seventh one is On Point Internet Marketing and its rating is 88. The third one SEO INC, its rating is 87. The ninth one Digital Marketing Agency and its rating is 86. And the 10th and the last is Karma Digital 80 with the rank of 82 score. So on this website, you can click on this website and go to if you want to get service from them. And here we discuss about why your Amazon store needs SEO. Amazon estimate that more than 100K sellers join the site every month. That's awesome number, man. This implies that the companies often make the sales of stuff, which necessitates the needs for SEO to increase your product's visibility and relevant traffic to your online stores. Here, the reason why your Amazon store needs SEO. Better search result based on the Amazon A9 algorithm. And what is A9 algorithm? This is the algorithm software used to help the Amazon customer locate the best product at the best price to increase the purchasing likelihood. It uses two aspects. Sorry. Relevant and performance. Relevant refers to how well the listener's product matches the customer search queries through keywords. Performance denotes the product's history, and SEO company will know about the keyword to use the higher conservation rate. Effective keyword usage. Most customers do not go beyond the third page when they search for the product on Amazon. Hence, they need the use of keyword approximately to increase visibility. And the next product listing optimization. That's much important step here. The keyword placement is vital as some keywords are more relevant for your merch merchandise that others you and as your company will allow the software used in the product title and now use bullet points on the product description and algorithm keywords better visibility with backend terms and as your company now okay, the use of a backend search engine this is vital so that the keyword that were not used for the product titles to produce description and include here. As such, it's allow for the keyword violations which are not fit with the visibility integrations. So such cloud include common keywords, misspelling of color symbols Amazon continuously updating the algorithm used to store ranking and complete it. Company will forecast, change, and get proposed for the next updates. This ensures that your product's listing remains as the top of you, able to convert more prospects. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explore channels. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.